G'day guys, it's John from Honeybee Acres, and today I've got a little tip to help you pollinate your pumpkins and other things like zucchinis and cucumbers or your cucurbit type vegetables. So we'll just have a look at what's going on here with our pumpkins today. Rightio, so here we've got a couple of male plants, and the way we know that they're male plants is because they have a long stamen in the middle. If you can see that, I'll actually tear these away in a second. But you've got, if I can get in the shot, there you go, you can see the stamen in the middle, that yellow thing in the middle. And they also have, get the shot better, they have a long stem with no fruit attached to it. Where a female plant has that big lumpy conglomeration in the middle. So that's the female part of the plant, and also it has the fruit at the base of the flower, so you know that's a female plant. I do have one that was flowering a few days ago, and when this one was flowering there was no male plants about here, so I doubt very much that this one got pollinated. So it'll probably, or more than likely, eventually shrivel up and die. And you'll also notice that here, if I can get it to focus, it's sort of yellowed there at the stem, so that's probably an indication it's starting to die because it hasn't been pollinated with no male plants about. So how do we do it? I've already started the process a bit. What we can do is we can rip this male flower off. I'll leave the other one on there. There's a male flower there. There's also another male flower here which hasn't quite opened up, but it'll probably finish opening up during the day. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to rip the petals off around the stamen just to expose that stamen. Get those out of the way so they're not in the way. So that's what you want to expose. That's the part of the male plant with the pollen on it. Okay, so we take this to the female flower. Whoops, sorry about that bump. And we simply just wipe it on the female parts of the flower, transferring the yellow pollen onto those orange parts. Now, if I was doing, I'm getting the shot even close. If I was doing more than one female flower, because there's only one open at the moment, I would save this. I wouldn't put so much on there. But seeing as though we've only got the one female flower, I may as well just put a whole lot on there. So now you can see in there's a whole lot of yellow over the top of the orange. So that's the pollen that's going to pollinate this flower, and it will produce a pumpkin. We've got a couple more coming on. There's a small one here which looks like it'll be a male one. Looks like another male one. I can't see any female ones coming up on this one so far. So here's another female one coming on, so that'll be a female as well. And of course this, that small one there, that'll be a male because it's only got the long stem at the bottom of it. And those three there will be male as well. All right, well, I hope you found that helpful in being able to pollinate pumpkins that you have in the future. I've left the other male flowers on here because, well, there was only one female flower, so it's not worth pulling three off. But we also do have bees on property, obviously. Honeybee Acres, we do beekeeping and stuff. So if the bees want to come here and pollinate these flowers, I'm more than happy for them to do that as well. So yeah, hopefully they do that. They can take some pollen back to the hive as well and some nectar, and we win both ways. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, I'd like you to put a like on the video and subscribe to our channel, and you'll see more tips like this. You'll see some of our trail cam footage as well, which is really interesting, seeing the animals that we get in the bush here on our block and other things that are going on around Honeybee Acres. Thank you for watching. Bye.